Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Aprigil Latipudin from class 2 Biology 2I. The first I will answer exercise 1. Uh, I I will explain the main idea, state or unstate. Okay, text 1. Costs were low that year and the, and the output high. There was a good person for each job and the market remain firm. There will no loss from fire. All in all in all, it was the best year in the history of the company. I answer state. The main idea is the company still stands strong despite reports fires, because here is there will no loss. All in all, it was the best year in the history of the company. Okay, next, text 2. Penicillin is one of the greats of the wonder drugs. It has saved thousands of lives already and will save many more in the future. Unfortunately, it it has no effect at all on most of the ills of mankind. Penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. And I answer is that the main idea is penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. Because here there is penicillin is one of the greats of the wonder drugs. Penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. Okay, the next, text 3. When I was a little girl, I took piano lessons every Monday after school. I walked to Miss Seaver's house with my teacher, sweet music in my school lunch stand hands. She taught me the class the proper way to hold my small fingers and the damn song from the Pink Panther. She also taught me much more. From here, I learned the necessity of practice, the importance of patience, and the joy of achieving a goal after hard work. She also gave me the gift of music. All of the was learned in a half-hour lesson on Monday afternoon in Hamel, Illinois. And I answer is unstated. The main idea is Mrs. Seaver teach little girl about piano lessons, because here there is Mrs. Seaver's house. Mrs. Seaver's sorry I took piano lessons every Monday after school. I walked to Mrs. Sivers. Okay, the next number text 4. Both plant and animal cells are very complex, yet they are very similar when compared to each other. The Venn diagram compresses and the contrast plant and animal cells. It consists of cross-sectional cell diagram. Both are explanations of the same concept but use different approaches to visually explain the information. It is interesting that there is so much diversity among living things. Yet, if you look at their cells, they are similar. The, on, the only real difference between a, a human cells, a horse cells, and a chicken cells is the kind of genetic information found inside the cell's nucleus. Okay, I answer is state the main idea of difference in plant cells and animal cells. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.